Hello everyone, this is your Bandhani Sharma. Welcome back to my channel BMB Tutorial. So in last session we have discussed the question number 1 to question number 3 of the exercise 2.5, right? And in today's session we are going to discuss next further question of the same exercise 2.5. Okay, so let's start it. So question number 4 is expand each of the following using suitable identities. So as per our requirement in the question we have to use suitable आइडेंटिटी. ओके, यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्वेश्चन को देखना है कि उसमें कौन सी आइडेंटिटी फिट हो रही, तो उस आइडेंटिटी को यूज़ करते हुए हमें क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. ओके, सो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको बोला गया कि एक्सपेंड करना है. ओके, इट मीन्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू राइट द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ द गिवन. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज x plus 2y plus 4z whole raised to power 2. Okay, so here there are three terms. Okay, means here the identity we will use for trinomial. Okay, raised to power 2. Okay, so we have an identity what a plus b plus c, that is for trinomial. Okay, raised to power 2. Okay, so this is the fifth identity. Okay, that is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so see here, compare this part. A is here what, x, b is what, 2y, and c is 4z. Okay, so in place of a, b, c you have to put a as x, b as 2y and c as 4z. Okay, and as per the question we have to expand this, means we have to write this expanded form of this identity. Okay, taking given values. Okay, so see here, so x plus 2y plus 4z whole square is equals to a square means x square plus b square means 2y whole square plus c square means 4z square. Okay, plus 2 into a is here what, x, into b is 2y plus 2 into b is 2y here and c is 4z. Okay, plus the last 2ca means 2 4z into a, that is x. Okay, so now see, x square as it is plus square of 2 will be 4, square of y 4y square. Okay, and 4z square means 4 square 16 z square. Okay, multiply these, 2 2s are 4 into x into y means 4x y. Okay, next term 2 2s are 4, 4s are 16 y z. Okay, and the last term we are getting here 2 4s are 8 x z, 8xz. Okay, now you can see these all are different terms, means unlike terms, so you can't add them. Okay, so we will leave it as it is. Okay, so this is the expanded form of this question. Okay, we have done this by using fifth identity a plus b plus c whole square, because we can see here there are three terms. Okay, there are three terms and whole raised to power 2, so we can take idea from here. Yes, we can use the identity a plus b plus c, that is for trinomial, and raised to power 2 means square. Okay, so a square plus. Now next part is 2x minus y plus z whole square. Okay, so here also there are three terms and raising power square. Okay, so it means the identity that will be used here is a plus b plus c होल स्क्वायर। ओके, एक चीज़ आपको और याद रखनी है कि यहाँ पर आपको देखना है कि वेरिएबल्स, क्वेश्चन में वेरिएबल कौन से हैं, ए बी सी है, तो आपको आइडेंटिटी किस में लिखनी है, एक्स वाई जेड में, ताकि आइडेंटिटी क्वेश्चन से डिफ्रेंशिएट हो सके, ठीक है, हाईलाइट हो सके। ऐसे ही यहाँ पर अगर सपोज ए बी सी में आपको क्वेश्चन दे रखा होता, वेरिएबल्स अगर ए बी सी क्वेश्चन में यूज़ हो रहे हैं, देन यू हैव टू राइट द आइडेंटिटी इन एक्स वाई जेड टर्म्स. Okay, so here the question given in x y z, that is why we are using identity as a b c. So a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square, same as we have done in first part, 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so a here on comparison with this identity we are getting a 2x and b as minus y. Okay, because in identity the plus sign is, okay, so here minus y we will take as separate term, and c is what, z. Okay, so in place of a b c we have to put these values so that we can expand this. Okay, so 2x minus y plus z whole square is a square, means 2x square, plus b is here minus y, so in place of b we have to put minus y whole square, plus c is z, so z square, plus 2 into a is what, 2x, into b is what, minus y. Okay, plus 2 into b is minus y, into into c, so c is here z, plus 2ca means 2 into z into a is here 2x. Okay, on solving this, square of 2x means 2 2s are 4 and square of x square. Okay, and square of minus y, minus means you are multiplying minus into minus. Okay, so it will be plus y square plus z square as it is. Now see, 2 2s are 4 into x into y, 4xy, and the sign will be of plus into minus, minus. Okay, here see 2yz means the term will be 2yz, but plus into minus, minus. Okay, now here all the term, all the values are positive, so there will be plus sign, so 2 2s are 4 xz. ओके, तो सिंपली हमें फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कौन सी आइडेंटिटी यूज हो रही है। तो यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं कितने वेरिएबल्स, 3 टर्म्स हैं, ठीक है, विद डिफरेंट वेरिएबल्स। ओके, और रेज टू पावर 2, तो ऐसी एक आइडेंटिटी है a प्लस बी प्लस सी होल स्क्वायर। ओके, तो इसी आइडेंटिटी का हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं। सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इस आइडेंटिटी को कंपेयर करेंगे क्वेश्चन से कि ये जो वेरिएबल यूज़ हो रहे हैं, वेरिएबल की वैल्यू क्वेश्चन में क्या है। उसके बाद हम आइडेंटिटी में वैल्यूज़ को पुट करके आंसर निकाल सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं ये सारी टर्म्स कैसे हैं, अनलाइक हैं, तो इन्हें हम ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते, तो इनको हमें एज इट इज़ छोड़ना है। ठीक है, यही हमारा एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म है इस क्वेश्चन की। ओके, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज़ minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Okay, so here also there are 3 terms involving different variables and raised to power 2. It means the fifth number identity will be used here. So using identity the same as we have done in first and second part, that is a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so on comparing, what we are getting from here, a is what, minus 2x, okay, and b is 3y and c is 2z. Okay, so in this identity, if you want the expanded form of this question, so we have to place the value of a, b, c. Okay, so this 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square is a square, means minus 2x whole square, plus b square, b is here 3y, so 3y whole square, plus c square means 2z square. Okay, plus 2a into b, a is 2 minus 2x, so we will put it in bracket, so minus 2a into b means 3y. Okay, plus 2 into bc means 3y into 2z. Okay, and 2ca, so 2c 2z, a is minus 2x. Okay, now solve it. Minus 2 square will be plus 4x square. माइनस का स्क्वायर हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा, मतलब माइनस को आप 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करा रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो जब भी 2 टाइम्स कराएंगे मतलब 2 क्या है, इवन नंबर है, तो हमेशा आपको क्या पॉजिटिव साइन मिलेगा. सो 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 3 ज़ा 9 स्क्वायर ऑफ वाई स्क्वायर. ओके, प्लस 2 2 ज़ा 4 देन z स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ सी 2 2 ज़ा 4 3 ज़ा 12 means next term will be 12xy and the sign will be plus into minus. Okay, now this is the positive, so it will be positive with 2 3 ja 6 2 ja 12 yz, and here also one negative sign, so plus into minus is minus. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 xz. Okay, so this is our expanded form of this question. 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 12xy plus 12yz minus 8xz. As these all are the different, means unlike terms, so we cannot add them. So this is our final expanded form of this part. Okay. Now next fourth part is 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. Okay, so as you can see here, there are 3 terms involving 3 different variables and raised to power 2. So there is the same identity which we are using in previous parts, that is what, using identity number. Which one? Fifth identity. Fifth, that is here the variables a, b, c, so we will write the identity in x, y, z terms. Okay, so x plus y plus z whole square is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, so on comparison we are getting here x as 3a and y as minus 7b. Okay, and z is minus c. Okay, so we will put these values in the given identity which we are using. So the main question, that is e6 3a minus 7b minus c whole square, of this we have to write the expanded form. Okay, so this is equals to x square means 3a whole square plus y square minus means minus 7b whole square plus z square means minus c whole square plus 2 into x, x is 3a, b is minus 7b. Okay, plus 2 into yz means y 7b and z is minus c. Okay, plus 2 into z, z is minus c into x, x is what, 3a. Okay, now we will solve it. Square of 3a means 3 3s are 9 and a square. Okay, Now square of minus 7b, so square of minus will be plus. Okay, so 7 7 ja 49, it means 49b square. Okay, square of minus c, so that will be plus c square. Okay, now see here, 2 3 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42. Here is minus sign, so plus into minus will be minus, and a b, so 42ab. Okay, and now next term is, see here, there are two negative sign, so minus into minus will be plus, and plus into this plus, so this term will be plus. 2 7 ja 14, and 14 b into c means 14 bc. Okay, now next term, see here, there is one negative. Okay, so there will be minus sign, so 2 3 ja 6, a into c, 6ac. Okay, so here also these all are different, means unlike terms, so we cannot do any more after this. So this is the expanded form of this question. Now the fifth part of this question is minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. Okay, so here also there are three terms involving three different variables and raised to power 2. Okay, so we can have idea about the identity that we will use here. What is this identity? The identity number fifth, as we are doing in previous parts. So using identity fifth, that is, here the variables are x, y, z. Okay, so we will write the identity in ABC terms. Okay, so a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, now on comparison with this, we have a is here minus 2x, and b is here 5y, and c is minus 3z. Okay, so we will put these values in the given identity. Okay, so the main question, that is minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square, that we have to write its expanded form. Okay, using this identity. So a square means minus 2x whole square plus b square means 5y whole square plus c square means minus 3z whole square. Okay, plus 2 into a is what? Minus 2x. Okay, and b is 5y. Next term, 2bc means 2 into 5y into c, that is 3 minus 3z. Okay, now next term is 2ca, so 2 into minus 3z, that is c, and a means into minus 2x. Okay, now we will solve it. Square of minus will be plus, and square of 2 4x square, so the term will be 4x square. Here plus 5 5 is 25 y square plus the square of minus 3 will be 9 z square. Okay, now plus into this minus will be minus, so this term whole will be minus. 2 2 is 4, 5 is 20 x y, so minus 20 x y will be next term. Now see here, there is negative sign, so negative into positive will be negative, into positive negative, so this term will also be negative. And 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Okay, so 30 y z. Okay, now see, plus into minus, minus, minus into this minus will be plus, so this term will be whole as plus. And 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12, 12 zx or xz. Okay, so these all are again unlike terms. Okay, so we will leave it as it is. So this is our expanded form of this question. Okay, now come to the part 6th, Okay, so that is 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 raised to power 2. Okay, so here we have to use suitable identity. So as we can see here, there are 3 terms, okay, involving power 2. It means the same identity which we have been using in previous parts, that is the identity number 5th. So here the variables are a, b. Okay, now here you have not given c. Okay, so here c is constant, but the identity we will use for 3 terms, that is x plus y plus z whole square. So x is here what, 1 upon 4a, and y is minus 1 upon 2b, and z is 1. Okay, so this is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, so on comparing this side, we can get here x equals to 1 upon 4a and y equals to minus 1 upon 2b and z equals to 1. Okay, so the main equation 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 whole square. So we have to write its expanded form using this identity. So in place of x, y, z, we have to put these values. So x square means 1 upon 4a whole square. Okay, and y square means minus 1 upon 2b whole square plus z square means 1 square plus 2xy, 2x, x is here 1 upon 4a into y, that is minus 1 upon 2b. Okay, plus 2yz means minus 1 upon 2b and z is 1 plus 2z, that is 1 into x, x is here 1 upon 4a. Now we will solve it. So square of 1 upon 4 means 1 upon 16 a square. Okay, and square of 1 upon minus 1 upon 2 will be plus. So 1 upon 4, square of this 2, 4, so it is in denominator. So 1 upon 4 b square plus square of 1 is 1. Now see here, this 4 is in denominator and 2 as numerator, so it will be cancel out. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, now there is one negative term, so plus into minus will be minus here, the sign will be minus, and the constant part is 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 means 1 upon 4 into this a into this b means a b. ओके, तो जो भी न्यूमिनेटर यहाँ पर क्या है, फ्रैक्शन में रैशनल नंबर में नंबर्स हैं, तो जो भी न्यूमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर में कॉमन पार्ट है उसको हम रिमूव करके इसकी लोएस्ट टर्म में लिखेंगे. ठीक है, यहाँ पर देखिए 2 इंटू डिनोमिनेटर में सेम 2 है, विल बी कैंसल आउट. ओके, सो वी आर लेफ्ट हेयर विद 1. सो 1 इंटू 1. ओके, बट द साइन विल बी नेगेटिव. सो 1b, or you can write only b. Okay, now see here 2 in numerator and 4 as denominator, so it will be cancel out, and here the sign is plus, so 1 upon 2a. So as you can see, these all are unlike terms. Okay, so this is the expanded form of this part. Now question number 5 is factorize. तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको कुछ पार्ट्स दे रखे हैं क्वेश्चन के, ठीक है, और उनको फैक्टराइज करना है. मीन्स यू हैव टू एक्सप्रेस देम इन द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर फैक्टर्स. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 9y स्क्वायर प्लस 16z स्क्वायर प्लस 12xy माइनस 24yz प्लस 16xz. ओके, सो एज यू कैन सी हियर देयर आर 3 वेरिएबल्स x, y, z. Okay, and the power of them is 2. So you can have an idea from here that this is the identity that will be used here Using identity number 5th, that is here the variables are x, y, z, so we will write identity in a, b, c. So a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, now see here, this is the expanded form of this identity. Okay, so exactly in this form you have given the question. Okay, it means you have to write down this side. So here the power is 2, so you can write in the product of factors. Okay, so on comparing, first we have to write this question in this form. So see here, 4x square, we can write it 2x whole square, 2 2s are 4, x square. Okay, plus to this 9y square we can write 3y whole square, 3 3s are 9, y square. Okay, plus 16z square means 16 is the square of 4 and 4z whole square will be this 16z square. Okay, now to this term, that is 12xy. Okay, it means these two terms are considering here. Okay, so 12xy and we have to write 2ab. Okay, so 2 is as it is, a is here 2x into b is what, 3y. Now you can check from here, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, x into y, xy, the same term we are getting. Okay, so now next term is 2bc. So 2 into b is here 3y into c is 4z. Now check it, 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24. Okay, and yz. One more thing here that we have to notice, the sign is here minus. Okay, and here also is negative sign. Okay, now see x y, y z, x z, यहाँ पर अगर x है प्लस का साइन है, ठीक है, x प्लस का है यहाँ पर, यहाँ x माइनस का तो नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, y यहाँ प्लस का ही है, y यहाँ माइनस का नहीं हो सकता. एक आइडिया लग रहा है कि z, जहाँ पर z है वहाँ पर ही नेगेटिव साइन आ रहा है. ठीक है, इन दोनों ही टर्म में z इंक्लूड है और z इसका मतलब आपका क्या, थर्ड टर्म आपका क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा. तो यहाँ से एक चीज़ आइडिया लग जा रहा है कि माइनस साइन किसके साथ होगा, 4z के साथ. ठीक है, माइनस, क्योंकि आप इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 16z स्क्वायर ही माइनस के स्क्वायर प्लस ही आएगा, तो यहाँ पर तो कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ रहा है, लेकिन इस 2ab 2bc 2ca में इफेक्ट पड़ेगा, साइन का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर देखिए 2 इंटू 3y इंटू वी हैव टू टेक दिस एज -4z. ओके, नाउ यू 3 जा 6, 4 जा 24 माइनस yz, so -24 yz. Okay, now next is plus 2 into ca means c is here, if I take 4 minus 4z and a is what, 2x. So see 2 4 ja 8, 2 ja 16 and this minus sign xz, the same we are getting. So we have written this question in this using this identity. So on comparing we can get from here what, a is what, 2x and b is what, 3y and c is -4z. Okay, so from here we can write this expanded form as a plus b plus c whole square. So to this part we can also write a is what, 2x. Okay, or the main question that is given 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz, that is equals to a plus b plus c whole square, means 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. Okay, or we can write it as 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Okay, so this expression using identity number 5 we have expressed in the product of their factors. Okay, this square is what? The product of these two expression. Okay, so now the second part is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 under root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. Okay, so as we can have an idea from here, this is nothing but the expanded form. Okay, so first we have to write here the x square. Okay, so there are three variables using here, x, y and z, and the power of them is 2. It means the fifth identity will be used here. So okay, so 2x square, we have to make this 2 as square, so we can write it under root 2x whole square. Okay, why? Because under root 2 into under root 2 is what? Means 2 raised to power 1 by 2, 2 raised to power 1 by 2. Here base is same. Okay, and power will be added. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is what? 2 raised to power 1. Okay, 2 raised to power 1. So under root 2 into under root 2 is what? 2. Or you can write under root 2 whole square is what? 2. So same we are using here. This 2 we can write under root 2 whole square. Okay, so under root 2x whole square plus y whole square plus, now z will be as it is because z is square. Now to this 8 we have to make a perfect. So now see, इस 8 को हमें क्या कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. ओके, इस 8 को हमें रूट 2 का यूज़ करके स्क्वायर बनाना है, तो इस 2 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2. रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 इज व्हाट? 2 इंटू दिस 2 इंटू दिस 2. ओके, नाउ you can write root 2 as whole square into 2 as a whole square. Okay, now you can write this 2 into root 2 whole square. Okay, same we will write here 2 under root 2 whole square. Okay, to this 8 we can write 2 under root 2 whole square. Okay, so plus we can write here x and y, it means these two terms. So 2 into, now see x y में माइनस है एंड x z में माइनस है. क्या कॉमन है यहाँ पर इन दोनों ही टर्म में? जहाँ पर नेगेटिव साइन यूज हो रहा है x. ओके, इसका मतलब x यहाँ पर क्या है? नेगेटिव आपका. तो ये जो फर्स्ट टर्म है दैट विल बी नेगेटिव. ओके, सो 2 इंटू ए बी होता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर क्या एक्स वाई है, इसका मतलब ये दो टर्म लेने और साइन किसका है? नेगेटिव. इट मीन्स 2 माइनस रूट 2 एक्स इंटू सेकेंड टर्म दैट इज वाई. नाउ यू कैन चेक 2 इंटू रूट 2 रूट 2 एक्स वाई. Okay, and there is negative sign, plus into minus will be minus. Okay, now y z, it means these two terms. So 2 into this y into this 2 root 2 z. See, 2 2s are 4 under root 2 into yz. Okay, now minus xz means these two terms. So 2 into y, means these two terms. 2 into minus root 2x into 2 root 2z. Okay, so see here there is minus sign, so here yes will be plus. So 2 into 2, 4 into root 2 into root 2 means 8xz, and that is of minus. Okay, so using identity number fifth, that is what, a plus b plus c whole square is always equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so as we can see here, on comparing this expanded form of this question and identity, we are getting here a as minus under root 2x, okay, and y as, b as y, and z as what, c as 2 root 2 z. ओके, हमें क्या करना है, इसका जो एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म है आइडेंटिटी का, उससे हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर ए बी सी की जगह क्या आ रहा है, माइनस 2x y एंड 2 रूट 2 z. ओके, तो इतना हमें आइडिया लग गया. अब हमें क्या करना है, इस आइडेंटिटी की एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म दैट इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी प्लस सी होल स्क्वायर, तो हमें यहाँ पर ये वैल्यूज़ पुट करनी है. तो जो हमारा मेन क्वेश्चन क्या है, 2x स्क्वायर that is the expanded form of 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. That will be equals to a plus b plus c whole square, and a is here what, minus root 2 x plus b is y plus z is 2 root 2 plus c 2 root 2 z whole square. Okay, but you have to factorize this. Okay, so by using identity we are getting this, so we can write it as minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z into minus under root 2 x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. Now this is the factorization, because we have expressed this, that is our question expanded form of expression, so we can write this as the product of their factors. Okay, so that's all for today's session, in which we have discussed question number 4 and question number 5, each and every part of these two questions, right? If you have any query, doubt related to today's session, please ask me on comment section. Okay, and in my next upcoming session we are going to discuss next further question of the same exercise, that is 2.5. Till then, keep watching my channel. Thank you.